Okay, this video is on how to add some sound to your game. There's lots of different ways to add sound, but we're going to add a speaker sprite that's going to play some music for us when we start the game and when we switch levels. So going to the sprite library, we're going to search for speaker and select that speaker sprite. Then we're going to drag it to the location we want on the screen and change the size. I'll do 20. So it's nice and small. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is go to events, and we're going to drag out a few blocks. When green flag is clicked, when backdrop switches, and we're going to change each one of these to, say, track 1, track 2, and track 3. All right, go ahead and pause the video if you need, because we're going to move on here. Go to the sound category and drag out this one. Play sound until done. It's the top one on sound. This one will make sure that it plays the whole song until it's finished playing. And then you could have it play something else if you'd like. But there are only a few options this sprite comes with. We could say play scratchy beat when we click the green flag. Okay, and it'll stop. And we could choose different things from these drop downs. But there are way more sounds than just the ones that are here. So what we're going to do is go up to the sounds bar up by code and costumes. And you can see here are some different sounds. But you can also go to the bottom and do choose a sound. And there are lots of different cool things in here. And you can hover over them, the play button with your mouse. And it'll play them for you. So you can get an idea of what they sound like before you choose them. Once you choose them from the sound library, it'll put them in this list over here, but that means that you can also choose it from the drop down now on your play sound code block. So dance magic when we start the game. Okay. And it'll keep playing until it finishes playing, just like that. Now you notice a little bit of overlap there. When you click green flag and it starts, and if you switch, it starts playing the other one. There's a couple different ways you can go about that. If you want to say start sound, you could then put stop all sounds here, so that once it starts playing that other song and you switch, it'll stop the other sound from playing and then play the one that you want. Okay? So you can play around with that a little bit, but I think that's probably where I'll stop this video, and I'll experiment with some sounds and find something that I think sounds good. Okay? Make sure to just put a stop all sounds with each one so that it will stop the other song when it switches over, so you don't have them all going at the same time. Okay? We can actually keep this one here. All right. And we'll just do this one. Okay. And when we switch to track 2, play a different one. Now there are lots of different sounds. I don't want to use those, and you could put several of them in a line if you want, so it will keep repeating that same song. Play sound, drum jam until done, and then play it again. And play it again. And you could also put that inside of a repeat if you want, like that. When backdrop switches to track 1, stop all sounds, and then play drum jam 10 times. Now that's not a great song at all. I would definitely change that to be something more interesting. But that's pretty much the gist. Okay? Good luck out there. Hope you found this video helpful. Have fun with your sounds.